Hey guys, we're back with another video, and first off I just want to say make sure you go subscribe and watch all of the Mustang videos that I've posted, starting back like 3 months probably. Go check all these videos out. You can see the progress along the way, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get right into it. As you probably saw in the previous episode, we went over the baseline numbers, which were 397 and wheel horsepower, and then 377 torque. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys this cold start real quick so you can hear what it sounds like with the headers on the car, and then we're going to show you the dyno video and talk about those numbers. So first off, I just want to say thank you to Race Mod for taking care of me and getting my car, getting my headers on, and my car dyno tuned. They did a great job. Car feels so much better now. The stock tune on it is not very good, I'll say. It's just not good, and they made it a million times better. So yeah, thank you guys. So let's get into this cold start. So I have Texas Speed Longtube headers, catted with the double helix X pipe and the Corsa Extremes. So here you go. So as you can see, there was the cold start, so it's pretty loud. I still haven't started it since I got it at home, so that was the last time it's been started. So I don't know what it's really going to sound like when it's like not inside, but I guess we'll see when the time comes. But here is the dyno video, so I'll play that so you guys can see, and we'll go through the numbers. So as you can see there, it made a ton of a difference, and obviously it's a lot louder because of the headers, and just overall car feels a lot better than it did stock. So yeah, so the horsepower numbers after were 436 to the wheel, and then 423 torque. And obviously these numbers are, so the dyno reads low, and the like the drivetrain loss from my car was 18%, which I think the range for the 10 speeds are like 16 to 22, if that's correct. So mine was 18, so just about in the middle. And so those are obviously the unadjusted numbers for the dyno, but then I had him get the adjusted number for the crank horsepower. So adjusted for the dyno, crank horsepower was 515 horsepower, so we broke 515. Obviously that's to the crank, that's not wheel, but I was hoping for 500, so I'm glad that we got 515 crank. And obviously 40 horsepower difference with the headers and the tune, that's pretty good, I'd say. So yeah, next up we're probably going to be doing E85 and maybe some other things. I'm not too sure yet. I just got to save some money up, and obviously I'm happy with what I got now, but yeah, I'm going to be saving money up so we can do more cool stuff to it. And I'll be making videos on it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Please watch the video all the way through if you can. Share this video with your friends, family, whatever. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.